Today we're going to change the air filter of my motorcycle. It's a YTX Yamaha 125, and here's the air filter that I got from Shopee. And all you need is just a this one. It's a star screw. All right, so first of all, we're going to take out the bolt here, and then I do believe there's another bolt. I don't know where. I'm just going to find it later on. So there's a bolt here that we could get into and remove the bolt. Right. So this is the bolt. So there are no other bolts aside from that for this cover. So what you'll do is you push this cover to the front like that, and you'll hear a popping sound, and then you winch it out, right, just like so. So you see, you winch this out, and then you'll be able to enter the main cover of the air filter. As you see, it's so dirty. We'll have this cleaned, so we'll just have to remove the bolts here, here, and also at the end here, right? Alright, this is the first bolt. Oh, guys, I'm not a mechanic, but I'm just want to do a DIY. This is my first motorcycle, by the way, and I'm not a rider as well. I'm just trying to do all things by myself, ride by myself. Alright, so by the way, you should place your bolts where it's safe and where you can find them easier, so that it will not get lost. And we're in our final bolt here. Okay, perfect. And what's this? All right, voila. This is the previous air filter of our Yamaha YTX. As you can see, it's pretty clean, right? So air intake comes here first, then it gets filtered right here. Air goes in, air goes out here, and that's already filtered. So we need to replace this air filter to the new one, right? Oh, okay, wow. It easily comes right off, just as that. So from the old one, from this to this, right? So just place it just as is. They believe it was placed just like that, like that. You see? So it fits perfect. Okay. And then we'll just have to bolt this in back, and we'll have our new air filter. There's no gasket or anything on the edges, so that's a good thing. We don't have to replace any gaskets. My problem here is would this fit? I think so. Let's see. Oh, here's the gasket. Oh, another. Oh yeah, this is the gasket. It's like a rubber in between. There's a rubber in between that could protect the air intake from water. So that's the purpose of it. Okay, it's actually flush. And we'll just have to seal it in. Let's just do this bolt first and just let it loose. And then we'll bolt the other bolt here. The other end. Right? Then do the other bolts just like what we did earlier. And we took it off. So here as well. Okay, so there are a total of 5 bolts. So there are 5 bolts in this air filter intake manifold. Okay, so tighten them all. Okay. Well, not thoroughly tighten them, just make them snug so that you won't destroy the plastic as well. Okay, perfect. So it absolutely fits well, and we'll just have this cleaned and we're good to go. We do have a new air filter for our YTX 125. Okay, got that replaced. This is the old one, new one is in there, and we do have our air filter cover. So there's something I noticed on this air filter. It really does the job, because as you can see, this side, this is where the air comes in, right? So from here it comes in this, it gets filtered here. So when you flip it over here on this side, it's perfectly clean. So I can say that this air filter really did the job, and I do believe that this is the first time it was it was changed. It was not changed before, I guess. So thank you, that's all. So we're just using this because a sprayer, because this is the air filter of a YTX. So we'll just have to like clean it slowly, because I don't want water to go in. Very dirty. This is a soapy water, by the way. You could just use a dishwashing liquid, place it right in here, and then just put water in it, and then you're good to go. You do have a cleaning solution already. So the air filter is clean. The case, you will have to clean this as well. Right. Okay, we have this all cleaned up already. We'll just have to wipe this down. It looks good without the cover though, without this. It looks good as it is. Might as well change the seat cover as well. I don't know. Alright, so we got it all cleaned with my old Sanina. Tapos we'll just have to wipe this off, and then we're just going to place it all back. Do not clean air filter. Replace it according to maintenance schedule. Okay, perfect. We're all done. Don't forget to clean your shit. Pick up any trash. And then throw it in the garbage bin. Oh shit.